How's it going, folks? Master Brown here. Let's do a quick video kind of detailing our Spark member app. So if you look at my screen, the bottom right hand side, that icon down there, it says Spark member. That would be for you guys. So let's bring that up. So this will be the home screen. As you can see, we have some class announcements, things like that, upcoming events. We got our black belt class, in-house tournament at our sister school down in Middletown. We have our belt test and glow staff seminar. If you look at the bottom row there, it says, again, a home screen. If we go to shop, we can sign up for events such as the Glow Staff Seminar, the belt test, birthday party, uniform, sparring gear, all that good stuff. Messaging would just be if you wanted to message me directly through the app. And then we also have the curriculum. That's going to be our big important one. This is a great resource for you guys to use at home. Whether you just have a question about the curriculum, or if you happen to be need to be quarantined because of all the COVID stuff. So depending on your belt rank and level, you're going to have different access to these videos. So everyone should have access to the first one here that says curriculum. At the top here, so our belt rank system, you're going to notice it's broken out by ages. So let's do, I don't know, the youth. So it kind of gives you an idea. If I click on the PDF, I can blow it up and zoom in, all that fun stuff. So whether this chart is going to work, whatever belt that the student currently has on, and if you look across over to the right-hand side, that's the curriculum I need to focus for that particular belt. Now, our association, when we take our black belt test, its curriculum is cumulative. So you can't forget about the old stuff. So for example, let's take brown belt. All right, so I'm a brown belt. The form I'll be working on is Pingan Sadan and Bonghyung Ilbu, the first staff form. And then for 1 steps, number 6 to 10 with help. Okay. Now, what it means by with help. So if I verbally told the student what it is, or kind of gave them the clue, some of them have names and things like that, they should be able to do it. It's not me physically doing it and them just, copy and paste. But if I kind of give them some verbal cues, they'd be good to go. Same thing with our self-defense. We have 11-15 with help. So again, for brown belt, that will be the curriculum that they would need in order to test for the next belt, which if we look at the chart would be brown-red. So again, you want to find the belt that they're wearing and then look across. That's the stuff they're learning at that belt level. All right, let's close that one. And then we have a lot of other good stuff. Forms, for example. We have all these videos on our forms. This is from, the tigers and dragons, the little guys, all the way up to Sipsu, which is the form you learn right before you test for black belt. So let's take, World Form 1, for example. There's 3 different videos of World Form 1. There's a reason for that. The first one, it's just me doing the form. There's no explanation. It's just once at normal speed, kind of going through it. If maybe you just need get rid of some of the rust or quick refresher, that might be the place to go. Next one, it's going to say World Form 1 with detail. So it's me doing the form once, again, all the way through, and I'm explaining what each move is. The last one says World Form 1 first time. That's me teaching the form as if I'm teaching to someone for the very first time. So I'm breaking down the form into smaller bite-sized pieces, kind of giving some tips, hints, things like that. So again, it kind of depends on where you're at with that particular part of our curriculum. If you're still, learning it at very early stages, or if you have a little bit more confidence with it, you can choose one of the shorter videos. It's entirely up to you. But let's say I choose the first time one. Okay, so I can do it there. I can, bring it up. All right. So there's lots of different tools and resources for you guys to help out with that. So those are all the different forms. All right. This next one says written test. That's for folks that are brown belt and above. So let's go into here. All right. So we have the written test. We have a study guide. All right. So the study guide is going to have the questions, but the correct answer is going to be in bold. And then, where we go? There's a link to do it online. So if you click on that, it's a Google Drive document. They can take the test as many times as they wish. Our next one here is going to be online classes. Back in 2020, when we were in lockdown and whatnot, we were doing a lot of stuff on Zoom. I recorded those classes. So if you wanted to, you could, pick a day and pull up the recording. All right, follow along with that. So maybe you're not able to attend due to whatever reason, weather, lockdown, and quarantine, or whatever, who knows. You can use that as well. For those of the folks that are in leadership, we have all the different weapons and whatnot, and there's videos for all of those. For black belts, we got some fun stuff. And then for our senior dons, top secret information. Anyway, there's a lot of videos. I think there's over 100 different videos here as part of it. So if you guys, feel like there's something missing, you want to do a video on that, just let me know. I can shoot that as well. But anyway, this is all here to help you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. So just go to, the App Store, look for that icon that says Spark Member. When you download the app, it'll ask for a school code or school ID. It's 2113 should be the number. If you guys have any issues trying to log in or whatnot, again, I'll ask for a password the first time and use the email that you've given the studio, and then you're gonna make up a password. So you can just go to forget password or lost password. I forget what the particular wording is, and then set it up your password, and then you'll be all set. For any reason, when you open up the app, you don't have access to all this stuff, please let me know, and I'll be happy to go into the software, edit the settings for your particular profile, and we'll get that all set up for you. As always, folks, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks so much.